Keep on going.
She's gonna talk.
Let's see. Tell me. Tell me.
Does anybody want
Tell me,
something
tell me,
to
tell
drink? Water, coffee, tea?
Tell me. Look at this one who's all jealous over here with the baby.
Yeah, I'm hungry. Can I have some meat?
Yeah.
She is.
Bagels, cream cheese,
God.
eggs.
Oh my God, the dog.
Look how
I
big
did
it is.
the couch, right?
Oh, Sabrina?
She's jealous.
Yeah.
Oh, get the dog away from me.
Cool, huh?
Go lay down, Sabrina. Come on.
Where's the other one?
What's the matter? Oh,
The red
there's your
one
thumb.
was trash.
There's your thumb.
So
Put
that's
that in your mouth.
where Bill sits all the time.
Are you gonna put that in your mouth?
Oh my God, I've never seen her smile so much.
And then he has to like sit down on the floor to get up.
Hi. She says, I gotta put something in my mouth right now.
You know what?
I
know
gotta
what
put
I'm gonna
something
do
in my mouth right now.
Actually,
What?
I'm gonna play.
You want
What?
to sit down and feed her?
Well, unless somebody